Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the middle pedal on a piano. The middle pedal often serves two primary functions. It can be a sostenuto pedal or a practice pedal. A sostenuto pedal sustains only specific notes, while a practice pedal significantly mutes the sound. It's essential to identify which type your piano has, as their applications are vastly different. Understanding your instrument's specific design is the first step to mastering this unique control. The sostenuto pedal is a sophisticated feature, typically found on grand pianos and some premium uprights. When you press this pedal, it sustains only the notes that are being held down at that exact moment. Any notes played afterward will not be sustained, allowing for a clear separation of sounds. This creates a rich, layered harmonic effect, enabling pianists to hold specific chords or bass notes while playing staccato or non-sustained melodies above them. Conversely, the practice pedal, sometimes called a mute or celeste pedal, has a very different purpose. When engaged, it drops a strip of felt material between the hammers and the strings. This significantly dampens the sound, reducing the piano's volume by approximately 75%. It's an invaluable tool for quiet practice, allowing you to play at any time without disturbing others. This pedal is commonly found on many upright pianos, making silent practice much more accessible. To truly master your piano's middle pedal, first consult your instrument's owner's manual to confirm its exact function. Once you know whether it's a sostenuto or a practice pedal, spend time experimenting. Play various pieces, engaging the pedal at different moments to understand its unique effect on your sound. Thoughtfully incorporating this pedal can add a new dimension to your musical expression, offering creative possibilities for both practice and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.